Major General Aminu Chinade don't want the Nigerian army make them know they involved for Naija politics. General Officer Commanding 2 Division, Nigerian Army Major General Aminu Chinade don't do talk with the officers and men of the command, say make them know they involved with politics as the country they prepare for 2023 general elections. He talked this one for the familiarization visit to the headquarters for Brigade Nigerian Army on Tuesday for Benin City. Major General Chinade, when he talks, say make them continue to be committed, professional and dedicated to their duties, constantly talks, say make them join body with other stakeholders and agencies to address the insecurity matter for the country.
Let me use the opportunity to urge you to also remain steadfast, dedicated and professional in the conduct of your duties. You must refrain from indulging in any act that will portray the Nigerian army in bad lights. You must be professional in your conduct and the execution of tasks, and you must work closely together with other agencies and stakeholders within your domain with a view to contributing effectively towards addressing the myriad security challenges that we have. You must also work cordially with the host communities so that you win their hearts and mind, and by so doing, you also gain their trust and support so that they will also support you to serve them better. As you are all aware, we are drawing closer to electioneering activities. Indeed, the electioneering campaign have begun last month on the 28th specifically. You must know that the military is a neutral organization and you must remain apolitical and make sure that you do not indulge in any activities that will portray the Nigerian army in bad light and by extension soiling your own names and denting your own careers. You should know that whenever you are called upon on any electioneering duty, you must abide by code of conduct for Operation Safe Conduct, which is election duties, and you must be guided by rules of engagement and international best practices, and you must, and I repeat, you must remain neutral and apolitical. Generally speaking, I will urge you to continue to work hard to dominate your own areas of operation with patrols and other confidence building activities, so that we do not allow unscrupulous elements to make life difficult for the good people that we are here to protect.
He constituted salute gave the officers of the brigade for their good conduct and professionalism when they put inside their work.
I am impressed with your conduct so far from the brief and the reports I've been receiving even before coming, and indeed I will urge you to continue to do more. I will assure you that the Chief of Army Staff has promised that we will continue to provide all the necessary resources that you need to effectively discharge your duties here. So there is no, for whatever reason, to go cap in hand asking for whatever form of support to discharge your duties. You will be resourced and you have been resourced to do so. So on my own part, as your General Officer Commanding, I will continue to remain in touch with you and continue to provide you all the necessary support you need to also effectively discharge your duty.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember, say your PVC now be your power, not tell I'm giving a politician on election day.